Hi, my name is Tylene Quesada. This is my husband, Manuel Quesada. We are all the family of Benjamin Quesada. We are here today at Sierra Subaru because they are amazingly wonderful people that have decided to help us raise money for Little Angel service dogs and for our son, Benjamin. Our son has autism and epilepsy, and we are trying to raise money for a service dog that will potentially save Ben's life. The service dogs are these greatly trained animals that help to alert us to seizures with Benjamin and will help calm him during his autism. We today at Sierra Subaru are doing a fundraiser that will serve food to the folks at Subaru, both employees and the patrons at Sierra Subaru, to help bring awareness to Little Angel service dogs and what they do, which is amazing. They train these dogs for everything from autism and seizures to PTSD to different emotional issues and mobility issues for the disabled. And we are hoping that we can continue to raise the money. Our goal is $38,000, which is what Little Angels needs from the people trying to get dogs so that they can continue to do the incredible work they do with these animals. Again, thank you, Sierra Subaru. Without you and the Love Promise, we could not do this. Thank you.